Okay, so Mr. Rice spent 1/5 of his salary on food and 2/3 on clothing. Half of the remaining amount was given to his wife, and he saved the rest. So if he had saved $520, what was Mr. Rice's salary? Okay, so let's have a look. Now, the first thing we notice, all right, we've got fractions, haven't we? We've got 1/5 here, and we've got 2/3 here. We've got different denominators. So we really do need to change these so into equivalent fractions that share the same denominator. We've got fifths here and thirds here. So the easiest thing to do would be to change this into fifteenths. Okay, so we've got 1/5. Okay, and we want to change that to fifteenths. Okay, what do we have to do to 5 to get to 15? We need to multiply that by 3. We need to do the same thing that we've done to the denominator. We need to do to the numerator. So we multiply that by 3. So 1/5 is the same as 3/15. Okay, so there we go. And that is food. Okay. And he spends 2/3 on clothing. Well, we're going to do 2/3. We are also going to change to fifteenths. So that's fifteenths. How do we get from 3 to 15? Well, we multiply by 5, and we do the same with the numerator. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so that is what is spent on clothing. Okay, so now I have fractions that I can work with, and let's draw a model. And I think given that we're working with fifteenths, we're going to draw a bar with 15 parts. Okay, so this might take a while and it's going to be ugly. So, but here we go. And I would just draw the squares like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And that's good enough. You don't have to get, if you were doing this with pencil and paper, you don't need to get a ruler out and mark it off. I suppose you could do, given that 15 centimeters might be quite good, but that's good enough. All right, this what I've drawn here is good enough. So this is one bar and it's split into 15 equal parts, and that represents Mr. Rice's entire salary. Okay, right. Now we're told, what are we told? He spent, so what have we got? We've got food, all right, and we've got clothing. We've got an F, a C, and we've got savings. Okay, so let's see if we can mark this bar up. 3/15 are on food. So let's go food, food, food. Okay, we can pick another color if we want. For clothing, that's 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And he says that half of the remaining amount was given to his wife and he saved the rest. So we have got we've got these 2 parts left, which is 2/15. Half was given to his wife and the other half was saved. So that's the savings. And here we're told that he had saved 520. Using dollars here, don't worry about that. So that's 520. And we are asked, what's our question? We are asked what was his salary. Now his salary is this whole thing, okay, that we've split into fifteenths. We now know one of these parts, this is 1/15. So if we want to know the whole, we need to multiply 520 by 15. Okay, I'm not going to set this out now. I'm just going to tell you that 520 times 15, okay, is 7,800. So what's our answer? This is our answer. These are the units that we've been given. All right, so 7,800.